Straight like shit. Boo boo. Little stinky bean.
I brought a bag of apples too, hon. You could feed them an apple.
Huh?
You can feed them an apple. Give them the green ones, because I might munch on those red ones. Might.
Green one?
Green one. Oh yeah.
Damn.
Keith, we'll be walking into town to get some gas.
Hold that, hold up.
Hey, gorgeous.
Yes, sir. Back to you. Back at you. Big old pile of shit.
Yeah. That's all they do, eat and poop.
They eat apples, do they?
Mm-hmm.
Let me get one.
Yeah, get one of them apples.
I love green apples.
Do ya?
Mm-hmm.
I like the red ones.
I love green apples. I do.
Babe, we need to get you some new jeans. So you don't have to keep hanking them up.
Well, yeah, I unloosened them.
Whatever horse you're gonna ride, feed him the apple.
Yeah, that's what I want to ride. What's the big one ride?
Magnum?
The black one?
The black one, he's good. Skeet usually rides Magnum.
This is the one I've been on. Is that why he's looking at me?
Spirit? Yeah.
That's the one I've been on. Yeah. Check out Magnum. Try Magnum. Like, take it, rub it in their mouth. And they'll just take a bite. You know, take the whole thing.
Yeah, he's kind of hard to catch though. I chased his ass around for a whole hour one day before he let me catch him. Better just stick to Spirit. Magnum!
Take a bite of it, let him get a taste, and go. Okay. A little bit of banana in it.
Spirit. They're hungry. Shoot, they tore this hay up over here. Good thing we came out today.
Well, it's like baby, I gave her a bite of that apple, and I kept giving her bites, and I dropped it down in there. And that's all she's looking for right now is an apple.
Is she?
No,
He keeps moving his head away.
He don't want that.
He didn't want that apple.
No apple a day. I rode him a little bit the other day. Try candy.
Well, Candy's ornery. Well, I think so. She may not be. Maybe she just don't like girls.
There you go. Ah, good. So I just took a bite out of that?
Yeah, right out of it. Oh, yeah.
Alright.
More? That's cool. So I'm running out of finger room.
You're running out of finger. Just hold it in the palm of your hand. Oh, there you go. She got it.
Ah. I gotta leave, huh? You got kicked out, man.
Want to let them eat for a little bit and then ride them, or you want to try it right now?
Let him eat.
They've been eating.
You want to jump on her, Mom, and then I'll just like
Look
pull
at
you
him.
around?
Look at what's he. Look at this.
He wants more?
What?
Candy wants more.
What? 1 apple a day?
No, they could, if you want to give him another apple.
After
Call her.
I have to ride him. All right.
you ride them.
Okay. She's a little skittish.
She's alright. Just walk up on her side there. Put a little bit of weight on her.
No, I'm gonna ride the one I've been riding. I like that.
Which one do you want, Mom? Baby or sugar?
Um,
Candy.
I don't care. You guys ride. I'll just video you guys riding.
I'm not gonna ride. I'll at least pull you around. I'll lead you around.
Come on.
I ain't gonna be able. I can put my foot in the stirrup of a saddle and barely pull my big butt up on a horse. I ain't gonna be able to jump on one without a saddle.
You got a man to help you out on baby.
Yeah, Candy, come on.
You guys don't even know Candy's ornery. I've tried to ride her.
I jumped on her just fine.
Come on.
I'm scared, Keith. Don't make me do it, babe.
I can't make you do anything. I'm just asking you to get on. Hell, at least just sit on him. Sit on her. You gonna get the stuff so we can get hooked up? Because I know these guys have been eating. When did we take this hay out here?
Saturday.
Saturday, so they're hell. They ain't starving.
Here, one for you and one for Greg.
And where's yours?
And then for Mom. Mom's gonna just video.
Well, bring it. I'll ride Candy for you and show you how she is. And then you can jump on.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, guys. Keith. Keith, you hiding it? They don't like those reins.
How about this one here?
Isn't that the one you was riding, hon?
Which is the one? I thought it was the one with the bigger head.
This one coming toward me.
Spirit.
Spirit.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. They might not let you guys get close to them if they see the reins. Before, Keith just jumped right on it. He didn't have reins, so they weren't intimidated. Those things pinched their tongue, so they ain't too anxious to put one on.
Huh?
I said those things pinch their tongues, so they ain't going to be too anxious to put one on. Just... You probably have better luck just doing the bareback thing without reins, hon. Like you did before.
What if somebody's on them and somebody else puts it on?
That might work. See, he'll let you get close to him. You don't have anything in your hands.
Hey, let me get some hay. Gotta give these brothers some credit. That's awful smart.
Candy. Hey, mamas. Hey, mamas. Hi, honey. Hi, honey. Good girl. Come here. What's that?
Guy can't see nutritional value. Like the horse either. Chew it up.
Whoa.
That's what I'm saying. Little gap between.
He ain't gonna let nobody get on him. Magnum.
I was just pushing them away.
Oh.
Alright?
You're good. Here, Mom. Yeah, to that one.
Good horse. The man said somebody was gonna hit the dirt today. Look like I'm. If the harnessing don't go right,
You might.
you got my dad's number, don't you?
No, I don't.
I want to ride with this. Well, my phone's in there. Just look for Andrew Edmondson.
There you go. Chocolate covered horse.
You getting ready to hang on, hon?
Yeah, I can feel the change in my buttocks.
Can you?
Here you go. Oh, nothing's sticking. Yeah, I can feel the change in the old buttocks.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. He ain't gonna let that happen.
Maybe we should have rattled him first before we fed him. All I want to do now is eat.
Yeah. Oh, you wouldn't have caught them though. Honestly, you wouldn't have caught them. We chased them.
In the truck.
We chased them around here for like an hour and a half one day. Then just got close enough to barely put the lead rope on. Whoa. Whoa, Spirit, come on.
Come here, boy.
Do your arm like this around his head, Greg. Yeah, underneath. Like that.
Come here, son. Come here.
Is there some reinforcements? Damn.
There you go. He said that this ain't gonna happen. Yeah, go over his ears first then. You guys ain't gonna get her done unless Don's here. They listen to Don.
Yeah.
Might as well just take him out without, hon. Go a full circle. Flank him.
Just like the halter and the lead rope, because halters are way easier to get on. They're not as noisy and they don't like.
Was that that rope you were, the green rope you were gonna pull out?
Yeah.
Where?
Where's the Tindo at? I mean, Tindo?
In Polson, what time is it?
I don't know, I don't got my phone.
I left mine in the car too.
So what?
I left my phone in the truck. Well, because I got to be there by 2 o'clock
Where?
to pick up the kindling for the fire.
I'm gonna go check it out. It's like 1 something, isn't it?
Is it? Well, you guys want to come back and ride after? They might be done by then.
I just want to kick them around right now. Check them out.
Oh shit, I'm right behind Magnum. He just wants to go right back to that hay. That's what he did the other day, huh? There you go, hon. Nice ride, Keith.
What's that?
I said nice ride.
Let them eat.
Yeah, let him eat. We'll come back.
They have better success next time. I mean, when we come back.
Yeah,
It should be close to 2 o'clock.
it probably is.
Yeah. Let's see.
Put it on, he took off.
I don't want to be behind this beast. Thanks, cuz. Thank you.
Yeah, 149.
Can you make it?
Oh, maybe.
10 minutes?
We'll check it out. When we come back next time, they'll be all eaten up.
Okay.
They're all chowed down. She'll be fine.
Bail, hon.